Hello guys, my name is Bennette and nice to meet you if you're new here. So today's video it's like an update on my life in India, this coronavirus thing going on in every part of the world. And yeah, as it is in India too. So we are more like locked down. Not really, but there's a curfew. There are times you can go out, there are times you can't go out. So for me, I wouldn't even bother to go out. I've been stuck in my room for days, like, and it seems like forever. But fine, I'm good. So those of you who were asking, I'm good, I'm fine. I'm just bored. But yeah, we hopefully gonna make it through this. So just stay home, be indoors to avoid the spread of this virus. Just wash your hands frequently with soap and the running water, and also use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. If you don't get some to buy, like if you're not getting some to buy in the stores, I made a video on that. You can go check it, how to make a hand sanitizer at home, so that you guys should stay safe. Like, you mean a lot to me, so you guys should try your possible best, like, to help those health workers know. If we don't get the disease, they wouldn't suffer to take care of us. And yeah, so there's a curfew in India, as I said before. We can't go out. I even went upstairs to check my rooftop to see if somebody is outside or if the shops there were open, but they were closed. Like, nobody, not even a single soul on the street. It's like a ghost town here. So yeah, we are trying our best to, like, not to get infected. So you guys should also try your possible best to prevent the spread of this disease wherever you are. You are trying our possible best to. Being an African in India at these times, like, I'm worried. So much worried. Mostly not for myself, but for my family back home. I don't know why, but I'm not so much worried about myself. No. But my mom, my dad, my siblings, I don't know, but I just worry so much about them. That's my biggest fear right now. God, they stay safe. Myself here, it's not really like a problem because I can stay indoors like forever. I don't really care. I don't even give a damn. I can stay indoors forever. Those who know me, they can testify. Like, I don't care staying indoors. First, I got what I eat. My phone, my laptop, they are enough for me to stay indoors. But my mom and dad, they need to go to work and stuff. So if they don't go, how are they gonna take care of us? That's my biggest problem right now. I know God is gonna take us through all that. So you guys should stay safe, stay positive too. We are gonna get through this. Let's just pray and take all the necessary precautions. And I don't know, but that's how I feel. Like, who wants to watch food videos, reaction videos, or any other thing, with this coronavirus thing going on? It's more like I don't even feel like making a video because I feel like nobody wants to watch it. Everybody is trying to stay safe and positive so that we can get through this thing alive, and we're gonna make it. So guys, just take care, and this video is like a short video, so I want to end this video here and hopefully see you guys in the next video. Just stay positive. That's the only thing that's important right now. Stay safe from this coronavirus thing. I'll see you guys in the next video, and also check my other videos in the description.